For nearly 2 decades, everyone believed Tesla and SpaceX were completely separate. They shared the same CEO, sometimes even the same engineers, but financially, there was no ownership connection. This video is Elon Musk's strategy. For many entrepreneurs, building $1 billion business is the ultimate measure of success, and a goal that can take a lifetime to achieve. You see, $1 billion company was never the goal for Elon Musk. After the sale of PayPal, Elon Musk faced a choice. He could enjoy the fortune he had earned or risk it on ideas that many considered impossible. He chose the second path, investing much of his personal wealth into ventures that would go on to redefine entire industries. The reaction was swift. Many people laughed, dismissed the ideas as unrealistic, and predicted they would never succeed. But Elon wasn't discouraged. While many saw impossible ideas, he saw problems waiting to be solved, so he kept moving forward, one bold step at a time. Elon wasn't just building separate companies. He was assembling an interconnected ecosystem, with each venture tackling a different challenge while contributing to a much larger vision for the future. One of the pieces in that vision was transportation. Elon believed the future wouldn't be powered by gasoline. It would be driven by cleaner, smarter, and more sustainable technology. You see, Elon wasn't just trying to change how people traveled. He also wanted to transform how the world generated and stored energy. And then the vision expanded even further. Communications became essential to connecting the world, while artificial intelligence promised to reshape how people create, work, and solve complex problems. Together, they formed another critical piece of Elon's long-term vision for the future. Whether they were building electric cars or launching rockets, the philosophy never really changed. Elon believed the best way to innovate was to control as much of the design and manufacturing process as possible, bringing more of it in-house instead of relying heavily on outside suppliers. Tesla wasn't just trying to reinvent the automobile, it was also rethinking the factory itself. The vision was to create manufacturing systems so advanced and efficient that the factory became a machine dedicated to building better machines. The connections ran deeper than shared technology. Over time, employees moved between Musk's companies, carrying experience, engineering knowledge, and ideas from one ambitious project to the next, strengthening the broader ecosystem. And one breakthrough led to another, creating a powerful cycle of progress. Then came the breakthrough that reshaped the conversation around technology. Artificial intelligence advanced at a remarkable pace, opening new possibilities, sparking intense competition, and changing how millions of people interacted with the digital world. Elon believed the future wouldn't belong solely to the companies that built the best electric cars or the most advanced rockets. It would belong to those leading the next great technological revolution, artificial intelligence. In his view, AI had the potential to reshape every industry it touched. The vision for XAI extended beyond a single business. Reflecting that broader strategy, Tesla later announced an investment of roughly $2 billion in the company. The investment was later converted into an equity stake in SpaceX. But XAI wasn't created to serve just one company. Its mission was much broader, to develop advanced artificial intelligence that could be applied across industries, powering everything from scientific discovery to real-world technology. More than videos, it's WatchQuest Media. The strategy wasn't just about controlling individual companies. It was about connecting an ecosystem, one where talent, technology, and ideas could move across different ventures, allowing progress in one company to accelerate innovation in another. At first glance, less than 1% sounds insignificant. It's the kind of number most people would ignore without a second thought. But that's missing the bigger picture. The number itself isn't what matters, it's what that tiny fraction represents. It's about making sure every piece moves in the same direction. Everything reinforces everything else. Advances in one company create opportunities for another, allowing ideas, talent, and technology to strengthen the entire ecosystem together. Rather than treating each company as a separate destination, the approach appears to connect them into a broader network where technology, talent, and innovation can reinforce one another. When most companies succeed, they often expand into new markets. Elon Musk, however, appears to be following a different strategy. One investment, Multiple applications. A breakthrough in one area can create opportunities across an entire ecosystem, allowing a single idea, technology, or resource to generate value in many different ways. One technology, many beneficiaries. Instead of creating value for just one company, a single breakthrough can ripple across an entire ecosystem, accelerating progress in multiple industries at the same time.